birthday to you. Thank Mama. Happy birthday, Mama T.
Thank you so much.
1 year of God's blessings.
Yeah.
Plus 1 baby T.
Plus 1 shop.
And the one calling is baby T.
Imagine.
You didn't with a mom who knows when you were shocking. You don't know what.
You don't want to do
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you so much.
No, Rudy.
Hey.
Heck out the comedy. Nico Kauri Karada. Sorry, guy. You do Corona stock on Yamara Yakura CCTV. Honorable to Gadico record the Anaikuruka Wednesday.
Thank you.
At heck out the comedy. O Canadi.
Canadi.
Oh, I'm a Kurimaniko guy. Carry or Carrero give you.
Carrero go give you. Then Nasa Shokarumia.
Mwana.
Wabe hone.
Bagi honi roda. Kate mwana itu.
Mwana itu ni okoigwa wega.
Team Shajamuka ni mawishire Dama wa Mobile Spares uria thaa ici niwe new mom in town. Happy birthday ni muthenya wake wa gucelebrate na wakiruba akimaka kuigwa baby Taria ena nurse arehagwo onge arafu magacoka rumu yao niguo Dama akiambia hone. Wakiruba akiuga kweli kurima ni kwega kuigaga mundu maisha mega. Na riu kwi mashabiki magiukite guko comment section ta Alice Wairimu ni ugite happy birthday Dama, I wish you all the best, enjoy to the fullest, it's your day. Nake Cecilia Mutheu Muthoka ni ashangiria akauga happy birthday to you Dama, happy birthday Mama T. Nake Maggie Waves ni ashangiria akauga nakupenda sana sweetheart, happy birthday Mhesh Dama. Nake Pret Fei bado ni amuwishiria akamwira happy turnings Mama Talia.